important message on station KAC 49. An important civil emergency message follows.
Shelter in place. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Capcom Public. This is a message from Contra Coast Health Services. There is an emergency at Chevron Refinery. Residents of Richmond, North Richmond and San Pablo are advised to shelter in place. Go inside. Close all windows and doors. Turn off all heaters, air conditioners and fans. If not using the fireplace, close fireplace dampers and vents, and cover cracks around doors and windows with tape of damp towels. Media news networks will continue to carry emergency information. Stay off the telephone unless you have a life-threatening emergency.